In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play Rainbet if you live in the United States. As you can see, right now I get this message, sorry, Rainbet isn't available in your region. This is because Rainbet doesn't have a license in the US, but I found a workaround how you can still play games on this site. So to do this, we are going to be using a VPN, which is a program that allows you to change your location online. So click on the link in the description. It's going to take you to NordVPN, which is a VPN we are going to download and use to change our online location. And NordVPN is also actually one of the only VPNs which is working with this website right now. Once you get NordVPN set up and installed, you want to open it right here. And now as you can see, I'm connected to the United States. And what we want to do is connect to a country where Rainbet is available. Now my favorite place for that is Vancouver in Canada. So you can simply type it in right here and then click connect. And now it's coming connect to Canada, as you can see right here. And we now have a Canadian IP address. Then what I like to do is open up a new tab right here and then go to buyandso.com/Rainbet or go to the link down in the description. This is now going to bring you back to Rainbet. And then from here we need to verify. And now as we can see, we access the site without the pop-up. So from here we can create our account and start depositing to play. So let me show you how that works. So right now I am logged into my account. From here I can go to wallet, and as you can see right here, I can deposit straight away using crypto. And if I have any winnings, I can also withdraw it right here from my wallet. Then at the games, we can simply scroll down and play any of the games that we want using this method. Now for everything, I'll leave links down below in the description. If this helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.